If your 3T22 damper is misaligned like this, for example, all you need to do to fix it is take a 1/2-inch wrench and loosen the bolt that's right here. There's that bolt right there. Shut up, Christian. Once you've loosened that bolt, all you need to do now is just, you can pull the solenoid down a little bit and then push your valve manually. You can push it further than it needs to go, and then you can just shove the solenoid down and shove it down until it goes pretty much all the way and your valve is contacting the lips completely. Then all you have to do after that is carefully reopen it, and then you can just tighten the bolt. This is I'll do it better with both hands. Once you've properly adjusted it, you just tighten that bolt and it's good to go. Now I just need new return springs.